My name is Minces, and I am a neuroscientist of music and a sound artist. And the goal with my work is to transmit my fascination about sound and the science of sound to everyone. And we do this through experiencing and playing with sound and using, for example, everyday objects. This is a rubber band, and if I do this, I'm hearing a really cool standard bass sounds that you cannot hear, but if I make the rubber band touch the computer, the vibrations will travel directly into the computer, so you will be able to hear them. But I won't be able to hear them. We will also play with glasses filled with different amounts of water so we can make music. And we will use digital tools created by my team for people to experiment with sound, to visualize sound, and to create digital electronic sounds. We have created an oscilloscope, a signal generator, and a spectrogram. And modify them for students to have fun exploring and playing with sound. Playing with sound, playing with, playing with, playing with, playing, 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 playing. And you will walk out of these workshops with the ability to bring the experiences directly to your students.